Getting attributes of a class. I want to get the attributes of a class, say. Using myClass._dict_ gives me a list of attributes and functions, and even functions like _module_, and _doc_. While myClass._dict_ gives me an empty dict unless I explicitly set an attribute value of that instance. I just want the attributes. In the example above, those would be A and B.
Try the inspect module. Get members and the various tests should be helpful. Edit. For example, now, for special methods and attributes get on my nerves. Those can be dealt with in a number of ways, the easiest of which is just to filter based on name. And the more complicated of which can include special attribute name checks or even metaclasses smile.
Getting only the instance attributes is easy. But getting also the class attributes without the functions is a bit more tricky. Instance attributes only. If you only have to list instance attributes, just use for attribute value in my_instance._dict_.items. Instance and class attributes. To get also the class attributes without the functions, the trick is to use callable. But static methods are not always callable. Therefore, instead of using callable value, use callable getAttrMyClass attribute. Example. Note, print_class_attributes should be at static method. But not in this stupid and simple example. Result for Python 2. Same result for Python 3.
MyFunc is an attribute of myClass. That's how it's found when you run. It looks for an attribute on my instance named myFunc, doesn't find one, sees that my instance is an instance of myClass and looks it up there. So the complete list of attributes for myClass is. Note that I'm using dir just as a quick and easy way to list the members of the class. It should only be used in an exploratory fashion, not in production code. If you only want particular attributes, you'll need to filter this list using some criteria, because _doc_, _module_, and myfunc aren't special in any way, they're attributes in exactly the same way that A and B are. I've never used the inspect module referred to by Matt and Borealid, but from a brief link it looks like it has tests to help you do this, but you'll need to write your own predicate function, since it seems what you want is roughly the attributes that don't pass the isRoutine test and don't start and end with 2 underscores. Also note, by using class myClassColumn in Python 2.7 you're using the wildly out-of-date old-style classes. Unless you're doing so deliberately for compatibility with extremely old libraries, you should be instead defining your class as class myClassObjectColumn. In Python 3 there are no old-style classes, and this behavior is the default. However, using new-style classes will get you a lot more automatically defined attributes.